Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.